one is around. Say my name, say my name. If no one is around, if no one is around, say my name, say my name.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing y'all how I installed my lace closure wig from ISEE hair. Right now I'm just greasing my scalp because you want to do that when you're wearing wigs. It's really all about preference though, because some people do grease their scalps when they have protective styles and some don't, but it's my preference. So right here I'm going to put on my wig cap, and that little mark you see on my head is where my closure is going to be. And here I'm going to take my Wetline Extreme Gel, and I'm just going to smooth my edges back with that. Here I'm taking my 91% alcohol and I'm just spraying it so I can clean off my hairline to get rid of any dirt or oils that I have on my forehead. Here I'm just making sure everything is lined up where I want it to be. Just a quick little review on this hair. Oh my god, y'all see that wave pattern? I've put on this hair so many times and the wave pattern still comes back. But everything is lined up and I'm getting ready to install it. Alright, here I'm taking my Ruby Kisses Concealer and Foundation Duo in the color RDF 12. I think that was 12 or 15, one of them. I don't remember. And I'm just going to put that all over my wig cap. And most of my videos like this are going to be sped up, so if you want like a slow down video, like a very detailed video, please let me know in the comment box below. I moved to the bathroom so I could see better, but right here I'm just continuing what I was doing in my room. Here I'm just brushing my baby hairs back so I don't get any of my baby hairs in the glue. Right now I'm basically marking where my closure is so I don't go past that with my glue. But if you go past it with your glue, you can just clean it up. It's no biggie. Now I'm going to start applying my glue. Today I'm going to be using my Ghost Bond glue to apply my wig. You want to apply at least 2 or 3 layers. I applied 3 because I'm going to be wearing it for a whole week, and you want the layers to be thin and dry before you apply the next layer. I'm applying my last layer. Little disclaimer, yes, I do put the glue on my hairline, but that's only because I know how to take it off properly. If you do not know how to take it off properly, please do not do this. Keep the glue at least an inch away from your hairline, but I only do this because I know how to take it off properly. Now that my glue is dry, I'm just going to lay my lace over the glue. Here I'm just rubbing it in with my comb to make sure everything is laid down. I'm just going to spray my towel with 91% alcohol and remove those little marks that I made with my eyeliner. Since I missed a few spots, I'm just going to take a dot of my Ghost Bond glue and I'm just going to apply it on my hand, and I'm going to put it on where the flaps are lifting so it can lay down. I'm taking my Q-tip, spraying it with 91% alcohol, and I'm just cleaning up the area. Now that I'm done cleaning up, I'm just gonna wrap the area for like 5 minutes. After I wrap the area, I'm gonna get into doing my baby hairs. Y'all, just look at that milk like OMG, y'all. Even though I already have baby hairs in these wigs, I'm just plucking them to make them a little thinner. Now I'm taking my Vigorstall hair mousse and I'm just gonna put that on my baby hairs to form them. As y'all know, I am not a pro with these. Sometimes they come out good, sometimes they don't. And practice makes perfect. If you don't get them right the first time, just try it again. Just as long as your legs doesn't start lifting, you're good. Here I'm just fixing my part to make it a little deeper. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to clean everything up with concealer to make my part straighter. Alright guys, so this is basically the finished look. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.
Bye.